हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे ए बी सी डी ए टू एल। लेट्स लर्न कलर्स नेम। येलो कलर, वॉयलेट कलर, पिंक कलर, ग्रीन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ब्राउन कलर, येलो कलर, A, B, C, D, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E, F, E for elephant, F for fish, G, H, G for gorilla, H for horse, I, J, I for ice cream, J for juice, K, L, K for kangaroo, L for lion, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kangaroo, L for lion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.